Hi, I'm Justin Karras, part of the engineering crew here at Dynamic Conveyor, and today we're going to go over the disassembly of one of our DynaClean conveyors. The disassembly of this conveyor is toolless, and today we're going to walk through that process. We always start by removing our retaining walls, and they're toolless. They sit with shoulder bolts on the sidewall frame, so we're going to remove the retaining walls. Next thing we'll disassemble on this conveyor is the belt. We'll remove the belt and then we'll be able to get to the internal components. Remove the belt. If your belt has a lace, we just pull the thermal drive lace. Set your lace aside. Now we've got the conveyor frame open. We're going to roll up the belt and set it aside for cleaning at a later time. Now that we've got the belt off and the retaining walls off, now we're into the internal components of this conveyor. What we've got left is the retaining walls, the belt supports, our feed shaft, and our drive components. The feed components, pretty easy to toolless disassemble. The wheels come off just like this. Our belt supports are just hooked to the crossbar, so they come off just like this. We're not going to go through all of them today, but that's how all belt supports are done on this particular conveyor line. And then if you have an internally mounted motor, so what we'll call a drum motor here, this sits in two forks and is very easy to remove. If your conveyor has an external controller at the location of the conveyor, you remove your quick disconnect cord, get the conveyor away from the frame, so now we can pressure wash or chemical wash this conveyor down, no problem. It's stripped to the bare bones that the belt supports were off, and you've got all your internals there. Now we'll go ahead and work on the reassembly of the conveyor. Let's imagine we're taking our removed components off the sanitation. They'll bring them back and assemble them at this location. All right, we're going to reinstall the control, rotate the conveyor back into position to reassemble the conveyor. Typically, the first thing we do is add our belt supports. We didn't take them all out for this video, so now we're on to the next step. We're going to insert the feed components and then the belt. And now we're going to install the belt with a little help from my colleague Chris Koopman. Run the belt up to the drive. When reinstalling the belt, it's critical to make sure the drive teeth are properly engaged with the sprocket. You want to hand me the rod. And then we'll just reinsert the rod into the lace, if your conveyor has a lace. Next, we'll reinstall the retaining walls. There you have it. That's how you uninstall and reinstall the components of a DynaClean conveyor. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through our website, email, or phone. Thank you for your time.